people can expect me to do what it is that they came for. They know that I'm going to give all the information. I'm going to drop gems. I'm going to make sure they get value out of the 2-day workshop. So they can expect to come in and have an impactful 2-day event. Workshop is going to be full of information. Speakers are great. I'm going to be great. Everything is going to be great. They can just expect a great 2-day workshop.
Today we're having our 2-day pop-up here at Cedar Valley College. We got about 30 people that we're expecting to come out. My main goal is just to make sure that people know the opportunities that are available to them from building, so from dirt to done.
I do a lot of speaking events, but I have not seen anyone doing what these guys are doing. I mean, just to create an entire university, not just an education series, but an entire university style approach to learning new construction. I'm actually just happy to be part of it, happy that I can be a contributor for what they're doing. Just being able to bring value to them and their students, I'm just happy to be a part of it.
They're projecting this year 400,000 homes. Texas is short. We have an opportunity right now to make a lot of money and fill a lot of gaps and a lot of voids.
Everything you're gonna learn from these guys is going to be things that most people spend their entire career mastering, and you're gonna start with that. What you guys are gonna get from them is gonna cut 10 years of heartache, hundreds of thousands of dollars of errors. Anthony was not wrong when he said, you're not just getting their experience, and what they have done right, you're getting the avoidance of everything they've done wrong.
When you have access to me, I'm using my marketing dollars on your behalf. So you're not having to market for any of these lots. I'm basically spending my own marketing dollars and taking all the risk. I handle all the negotiations with sellers so that you're always hitting your goal for your marketing and your budget.
Let's say you get a set of plans from somebody else and you're like, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at, I don't know if I like it. Can you take a look, make sure everything that I need is in that set? There's no such thing as a stupid question. You don't know what you don't know, and we don't know everything. Every day is an opportunity to learn something new. So on the design end of things, like there's so many different options and so many different ways you can skin the same cat.
So if you have a property that you need listed, right? It's a new construction project you just finished out and you call me and say, hey Chase, we're 30 days out from getting this bad boy listed, okay? We're gonna start running marketing ads on that deal. We have agents that we can get you introduced to that know that world in and out, that can help you navigate the purchase world of commercial, the leasing world of commercial, whatever it is that you need to know on that side so you can have that information.
I then built a house, sold it, made money, went and bought a couple more lots. And I kept repeating that process until I got here to where I now build custom homes for clients that's valued at 1.1 and 1.6 and whatever else.
2-day workshop is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it for everything. You're gonna learn so much. You're gonna get like site plans. They're gonna go through a lot of things that you don't think about.
And it has been eye-opening. The resources have been fabulous. The education, the detail, how much it covers has been just off the top. It's just been a great 2-day.
My name's Alan, and I'm here for the 2-day course. It's actually been extremely valuable. There are a lot of moving parts when it comes to new construction, and it's really good to see, people who have been in the game for a long time, and they can give you all of those nuggets that you need to be successful.
Can't wait to go out on the bus tomorrow.
Listen, I'm a little tired, but guess what? I'm excited. We got through it. Everything worked out. We're a little over time, but that's okay. The people were excited. They wanted to stay. And so, man, it was just an amazing day. I'm just appreciative of everybody that came out to support the workshop. And man, now I'm ready to go grab me something to eat.
Hi, I am at the two-day event with the Gentlemen Builders. They are building custom homes here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I am so excited about this program because it is allowing me personally to learn from the experts right here at Gentlemen Builders.
So this right now, I'm doing the two-day course, but I'm also part of the mentorship program. Man, the biggest value add that I'm getting from this is that everything that we're going over is all practical information. They're giving you stuff that you can use today and start implementing right now in your real estate endeavors. And so I would say that's probably the biggest thing. This isn't like some other programs where people are really just trying to like motivate you and hoo-ha and get you riled up. They do that too, but you're really getting practical value add content that you can use right now.
But the value of the two-day workshop is the first day, you're in the classroom, you're getting all the information, seeing how everything ties in, and then day two, you're visiting properties. You're actually seeing everything that you learned yesterday put into play, put into action. It brings everything together.
It's important for you to take advantage of a program like this if your dream is to be a builder. Think about it. Everybody wants to build their dream home. Maybe you already have your dream home, but what if you could be a builder to build a house for profit? Instead of doing a remodel, you can build a house, make some profit, take advantage of this amazing program, this two-day program. There's a lot of great information. The 16-week course will get you all the way out to to when you buy your lot, and we're out there helping you build that house.
Teach this because nobody taught it to me, and it has allowed me to be afforded a lifestyle that I want to see everybody else have. My goal is to change the culture of what builders look like. When you think of real estate development and builders, you think of older gentlemen in suit and ties, right? I'm not that guy, right? Any questions that you guys have moving forward, I'm not the guy you can't call or talk to. Like a lot of you guys have messaged me, called me, text me. I help you guys out. I'm that guy. I want to see you guys succeed, whether you're in the mentorship or not. But I appreciate you. Thank each and every one of you.